In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split by shares in Splitwise. If you've ever had an expense where people don't all pay the same amount, splitting by shares is a really handy way to divide things up fairly. Instead of entering exact amounts for each person, you can assign shares that represent each person's portion. For example, if one person should pay double what someone else pays, you can give them twice as many shares. And Splitwise will do the math for you. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First, open your Splitwise group where you want to add the expense. Once you're on the group page, look for the option to add a new cost. On the web version, there's a clear button labeled Add Expense. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the expense window where you normally type in what the expense is for, how much it cost, and who paid. At this point, you'll probably see that the default way of splitting the bill is set to equally. This means Splitwise plans to divide the total evenly among all selected group members. Since we want to use shares instead, click on the word equally. This will open the different split options available for this expense. When the split options appear, look for the icon or option that says Split by Shares. On the web, it usually looks like a small icon next to other methods like by amount or by percentage. Click on the Split by Shares icon. Once you do this, you'll see a column where you can enter how many shares each person should have. Now, decide how many shares each person gets. Think of shares as simple weights. If 3 people are involved and you want one person to pay half and the other 2 to split the remaining half, you could give the first person 2 shares and the other 2 1 share each, for a total of 4 shares. Splitwise will automatically calculate how much each share is worth based on the total amount. Take a quick moment to review the numbers to make sure everything looks right. Check that all the people who should be included are listed, their shares reflect what you agreed on, and the total adds up correctly.